Hey there, I hope that all is going well with you. Today I actually have a quick and simple flower stamping nail art tutorial to share with you. I absolutely adore how cute and girly this one turned out to be. If you'd like to see how this look turned out, keep on watching. The base color that I'll be using for this nail art is called Hansen Xtreme Wear Bubblegum Pink. It is so girly and super pretty. I was able to achieve full opacity in just 3 thin coats. As always, to help protect my cuticles and to make cleanup much easier for myself, I'll be going in and applying some of Girly Bits Cosmetics Border Patrol. For the stamping, I'll be going in and using this gorgeous purple polish by Mundo called Tutti. I'll also be using my favorite stamper, Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling, and I'll be using this stamping plate. I believe I had got it from this store which used to be open called To Save, and the plate is called JQ number 70. For the stamping, I'll be going in and using a rolling technique. Sometimes you can actually just press down with your stamper, but for me personally, I find that just doing a light rolling motion helps to get the image picked up easier. And now that I've gotten everything cleaned up, I'll be going in and quickly applying 1 thin coat of Girly Bits Cosmetics What a Rush top coat. And there we have this fun, quick and easy stamping nail art look. I just adore how cute this looks, and it is perfect, especially seeing it is just about summertime over here in Toronto. As always, the products I use will be listed down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them and I will get back to them as soon as possible. And for those of you that have been around since this channel has started, thank you so much. And for any new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and as always guys, stay glamorous.